Hey Twinkl parents, here is a quick guide to help you support your child with the short multiplication method at home. First, make sure your child writes the numbers in the right columns: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Keeping the numbers lined up properly makes everything much easier. When multiplying, we always start with the ones column, the smallest place value. For example, if we multiply 5 by 9, we get 45. When the answer is more than 10, they will need to carry over the tens and put them into the tens column. It is important to know that your child might refer to this as regrouping, which is the same as carrying over. In our example, we keep the 5s in the ones column and move the 4 over to the tens column. Next, we then multiply the tens column. If we take 6 tens times 9, that equals 54 tens. Then add the 4 tens we carried over, making it 58 tens. Your child writes the 8s in the 10 column and carries the 5 to the hundreds column. Finally, multiply the hundreds. 3 hundreds times 9 equals 27 hundreds. And don't forget to add the 5 hundreds we carried over to get 32 hundreds. And once all the columns are completed, there you have it, your child has got their answer. Always remind children to make sure that they put the numbers into the correct column, and also remind them to add the numbers that they have carried over, as this is something children often forget to do. And if you want to help your child more at home with their maths, check out the 5-minute maths. These fun daily activities fit easily into any family routine and will help grow your child's math confidence.